Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm introducing this nice hair that I'm wearing from Peerless Hair, and I'm going to color this hair into blonde color. So if you want to see how I achieve this color to this, then keep watching.
Make we celebrate, to make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move.
So now when I received the hair, this is what the hair came like. It's so beautiful. It's a Peruvian straight, 20 inches, 22, 24, and 18 lace closure. And the longest of the bundles is 24 inches, and I got 3 bundles and 1 lace closure. The texture of this hair is amazing. It's out of this world. Like, I can't even explain it. Like, I love how it has like a double drawn kind of hair like look. You know what I mean? Like, the strands are so straight and they are so uniform. They don't have those kind of hair jumping inside, and that's really amazing, and I love it. The lace is soft and you can see the hairline is nice. I really love this. And like I mentioned before, this hair is from Peerless Hair. I'm going to put the link down in the description box so that you can check it out, and and every information is also in the leaflet included. So I went ahead and constructed a wig. I am sewing my lace closure first before I go ahead and add the bundles, and I'm just using the normal usual way of making wig. I didn't want this video to be extra long because I'm going to color this hair at the end of the day. I should have colored this hair actually in the bundles like how it came, but I was like, I think I find it easier, to color it while it's a wig, so that when I'm washing it, I just wash it at once instead of washing every bundle. But I don't know, comment down below what you think. What do you think is easier, the coloring the wig or coloring the bundles first? So yeah, I went ahead and just constructed a wig. And when I get to the end of my dome cap, I'm going to flip over, and I'm using double weft to sew, and I'm using a curved needle like you can see. But I started using the straight needle. I just use anyone that I feel like using. Over the years, I'm getting used to using curved needle, but I just like to use just straight needles before. So if you care to know my boring story, so yeah, I'm just making this wig, nothing much. I didn't want to just film the whole process like I said, because it's gonna be too long. So when the wig is finished, I keep sewing like this, like making sure that I just sew down properly. Now when I finish it, it's going to look like this beautiful hair, beautiful wig. I went ahead and parted the lace closure. And yeah, this is how nice, this is how long it is. It's really long and silky, really lovely, this hair. Like, I really like this hair. Like, it's true to length, and it's full for 3 bundles. Like, I was even scared, like, oh my god, 3 bundles. But I will also advise you to go for 4 bundles anyway, because I wanted this to be fuller. So now I'm going to go ahead and color this, like bleach this hair to blonde. I'm using my developer and this bleach, and I'm using 40 volume, 12%, 40 volume to bleach this hair. Yeah, so I'm going to, in a bowl and a brush, I'm going to mix in the hair. And also, these are the things you will need for this video. You need some hair bubbles, you need the clip, what do you call it? So I make sure that you wear your hand gloves. And also, when I decided to just separate the hair in 4 parts so that I can work in those sections, because honestly I didn't really know what I wanted to do. Like, I wanted to put this on the table or on the floor and just color it, but I'm like, okay, let me just put it on my mannequin head. So if you are doing this, don't make the mistake I made. I should have covered my mannequin head with a nylon bag so that it doesn't have all the bleach on it. So I didn't remember to do that. So I just kind of touched on all, and the color just came different. And please, when you're doing this, also make sure that you double your hand gloves, because I don't know how the bleach got to penetrate and into my finger, and it was very painful, guys. So now I'm going to just separate section by section, and I'm going to be applying the bleach, and I'm going downwards, and I make sure that I saturate it into the hair very well, you know. So yeah, it's kind of, I don't know, I'm just gonna speed it up for you to see what I'm doing. All you need to do is just apply it all over and just wait for some minutes. It just depends for you not to you know, lose your hair, like damage your hair. You have to make sure you time yourself. I kind of timed myself from the time I started applying from the bottom until I got to the front. I was very fast in applying so that this hair can be quickly, you know, washed off, you know, because I didn't want to damage it. So I just continue applying. So I'm going to let you watch how I applied until I come back to show you how it developed and how I'm going to wash it off. So after I applied all over the wig, you can see how the color is changing, and it's kind of really scary because it's just beginning to get really crazy here right now. Like, but you know, when the remaining part of the bleach that I mixed, I just use it to go over all the places I felt like the bleach did not reach very well. So I went over it and went over it again, and to make sure that everything is well uniform. And this hair was really changing color rapidly, which I really like. So I folded it up and I just used a plastic bag to just tie it, and I waited for another 15 minutes, and I felt like it was okay for me to wash it. I don't know, how many minutes do you guys wait before you wash off yours? Comment down below, please. Let's know and interact together. So yeah, this is what the hair looked like before I started washing. I went to the basin and I began to wash. I made sure that I really wash off all the bleach first before I started adding shampoo. I made sure I washed like 5 different times, like wash and rinse, wash and rinse, wash and rinse, until I got like I had minimum bleach on it. Then I went ahead and used this shampoo. This is silver for silver and blonde hair. I'm going to put the name of that shampoo down. So I now applied it and repeatedly washed it for like 3 times, and when I finished, I took the hair back to the mannequin head and I blow dried it because I didn't have time to wait to air dry. I wanted to just be done with this hair quickly. So I went and blow dry, and this is the color, and I wasn't feeling the color, like it's still orangey here. What do you think? Is it not orangey? So like, okay, I now thought to myself I should go back and apply more bleach, and this time around you can see how it looked like. It's not bad because I've not actually pressed it or anything, but I went back again and I'm using this time around I'm using 9% 30 volume. Yeah, I'm going to use that and I'm going to mix again. I'm going to come back and begin to apply just the way I did it in the beginning, because I wanted to brighten the color, you know, a little bit, you know, brighter than what you look like. So I started again from the back like I did before. I just followed the same process, and I'm just going to let you watch how I apply it. If you are trying to do this on your own, try and watch as many videos as possible so that you don't, you know, make them do a mistake. But I don't know, a day I wanted this hair to be even brighter, like almost like 613 color, but it's all right. People bleach this like 4 times or 3 times I heard, but I didn't have time for that, so I'm just going ahead and apply, and I'm just applying it line on the line so that it can be more uniform this time. I actually took my time more in the second application, so that I can get a very, very good result. And yeah, I'm just gonna add like this, and to the front, when I get to the lace closure, I'll just begin to add a little. Like, I didn't want to finish up the black color that you see inside there. I want to leave a little bit of black color, so I'm going to use some foil paper to separate it so that it doesn't touch the lace. And when I go ahead again, I separate another line and I begin to apply more. And after that again, I just apply. Just simple, honestly. Sometimes it's just good to just do this, you know, have fun in experimenting, and then you know, if you don't experiment, how do you learn, you know, how to correct yourself, you know? So, you know, I know I have colored my hair in the past, but I didn't do like a full hair like this. So this is really, really something I really liked. So I went ahead again and washed, and you can see the color kind of came out the hair. So, and I got this super silver from Sally near me here, and this is supposed to remove the yellow color. It's supposed to cancel the yellow color, and it's really intense. Like, the purple is intense, like it's really nice. I was really happy that I bought this shampoo. If I remember, I'm putting the name also in the description box. If you have any okay, so I try, you know, on YouTube here, a lot of people use shimmer. There's a popular one that people use here, but they don't. I couldn't find it to buy unless I have to order online and wait, and I didn't have time, so I just went to the shop near me to buy this one. And honestly, it really changed the game, and this is what the hair looked like after I finished. What do you guys think? Did I do a good job? You can see that this hair, the texture, everything, it became so amazing and nice after I blow dried it and I flat ironed it. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check the hair in the description box and stay blessed. Bye.